Mustang is it?
69 Mach 1. You'll know it.
It's dark blue.
It's badass.
That is, never mind.
Oh, look at car got towed.
A couple days ago at school. No, I called her a fag, bro. She's like, I was talking to my friend. She's like, well, actually, what's wrong with BK? I said,
Hey guys, look.
like, light them up.
Guys, whatever happened to that one?
Alright, figure something out.
Wait a minute.
They said fucked up. They called you on the towed, or you just kind of, are you repossessed? Oh, okay. Why'd you drive it?
Oh, he don't want to put miles on it. That's what it is.
Why? What does he mean by putting miles on it?
Like, if he drove it, you know, instead of say it's 30-mile drive home, that's 30 miles more on the odometer. So if he tries to sell it, he could be like, man, this bitch only has 100. It's towed everything. You remember these people? Oh, yeah.
You say no?
That one would go fast, because if it did, I think it would be too fast.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
He probably scared to lose control.
Yeah. Nice Ford. at that one. Oh, guys, he's gonna do the blue one. I think he's in there.
The rear engine truck.
Yeah, I think he's gonna start it. There's that one.
No, that would be sweet.
I don't think he would want to ruin it though. It could be, well, yeah.
No, I think look cool.
They're gonna do those two, I bet. Yeah, there it is. That's what it is. Yep. Oh, that's gonna be a good one.
He's like, that's gonna be a good one. That's fucking.
Oh, they're coming.
That thing's loud as hell.
That's like a boat. Oh, yeah, look, they're coming. They're coming. Oh, hot damn. Yeah, look.
What was that one? You see that one with the engine in the bed?
Yeah, I did. I heard it.
I'm pretty sure it's a boat motor.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. It's a boat motor. Hey, if your phone's at 1%, I'm recording, so.
Yeah. Oh, that's all for YouTube.
Yeah. Oh, these are going to be good ones.
Only if they're turning this way, though. Because no one wants to hit it into the neighborhood.
Yeah. Probably maybe in the street. I don't know. It's hard to say.
Oh, he's going this way.
Look. Guys, they're going to do the one with the boat motor. Hey, look at that. Wait. No, I'm taking a video, so yeah. Look, did you see that one? Look at the back. That's like a boat engine or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do. Seriously.
You say on a normal day they're everywhere.
Yeah. Every year.
Hey, new burnout's my birthday. Hey, Raven, give it a little red. New burnout's my birthday. It's his birthday.
Did you guys just hear the one with the boat motor and all that?
Damn, he's scared. Oh, here he is.
What?
Here he is.
That's your grandpa?
Yeah,
Dang, he owns a Mustang Boss 302.
that's a fastback.
Oh, it's a fastback?
329.
Oh.
The thing is, it has a built 428 in it.
Oh, that's cool.
Light 'em up. It's my birthday. It'll do it. 10305. Light 'em up. It's my birthday. Hey, it's that guy again. Hey. She wanted him to do it.
Car sounds good.
Not a lot of cars now.